Boy, what a story this is. It is believed there may be hundreds, possibly thousands of more COVID deaths linked to nursing homes in Michigan than previously thought.
Yeah, a lot of people upset about this. An Auditor General's report painting a critical picture of the state's handling of the elderly during the height of the pandemic in 2020. Fox 2's Robin Murdoch is live with more on this. Robin, good morning.
Good morning, Dina and Jay. We should have a better idea as to exactly how off these numbers are when the State Auditor General's report is released on Monday. But as you guys mentioned, there are some significant differences, and we're talking about hundreds, even thousands of deaths that could be as a result of this report that were undercounted, and that is what we are seeing right now. As you know, when the pandemic first started, the state received a lot of criticism for putting COVID patients into nursing homes with healthy residents. Now, according to the state's coronavirus dashboard, 6,200 people have died from COVID in nursing homes, adult foster care homes, as well as homes for the aged since the start of the pandemic. But the Auditor General report says that number could be a lot higher, and they're talking about 30% higher. The state health director says the report misinterprets death definitions and uses data from facilities not required to share it with the state. Here is more with the House Oversight Committee chair who requested the investigation. Take a listen.
In my mind, it seemed to be a pretty deadly decision, and the numbers are now bearing that out. So I think we have to have some legislation to make sure that this could never happen again. We have to protect the vulnerable adults in Michigan.
So again, that full report is expected to be released on Monday. And you just heard from the chair of that Oversight Committee, Representative Steve Johnson. He does tell us that once his committee sees the actual numbers, they'll have a better idea as to whether any policies or laws need to be changed as a result. We'll, of course, keep you posted on that part of the story. Reporting live from Southfield this morning, Robin Murdoch, Fox 2 News.